In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Gmail storage. Keeping an eye on your storage is important because Gmail shares space with Google Drive and Google Photos. If you suddenly can't send or receive emails, it's often because you've reached your limit. So let's walk through a few simple ways to check where you stand. First, the fastest check is right inside Gmail. Open Gmail in your web browser and look toward the bottom left of the page. Scroll all the way down if you don't see it immediately. You'll find a storage bar that clearly shows how much space you've used out of your total allocation. This is a quick snapshot of your entire Google account storage, so it includes Gmail, Drive, and Photos together. It's a great at-a-glance view. If you use multiple Google accounts in the same browser, make sure you're looking at the correct inbox so the number reflects the right account. Another simple way is through your Google account. Open your browser and head to your Google account homepage. Once you're there, click the profile icon in the top right to confirm you're signed into the correct account. From your account overview, you can see information tied to your profile, including your overall storage. This route is helpful if you want to confirm your usage without opening Gmail first, especially if you're already managing other settings in your account. For the most detailed breakdown, use Google One's storage page. Open your browser and go to one.google.com/storage. Sign in if prompted. Here, you'll see a clear breakdown of what's using space across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This page is especially helpful because it often includes cleanup options and suggestions that highlight large files, old emails, and other items that might be taking up unnecessary space. Think of it as your control center for understanding and organizing storage. Even if you're not ready to delete anything, the insights here help you plan ahead so you don't run into sending limits at inconvenient times. A quick reminder before we wrap up, your free Google account typically comes with a set amount of storage shared across services, and trashed items can still count toward your total until they're permanently removed. Regularly monitoring these pages can help you avoid surprises. That's it. Use the Gmail bar for a quick check, your Google account for a convenient confirmation, and the Google One storage page for a detailed view with helpful insights. Thanks for watching, and keep your inbox running smoothly.